How to log in into Redbridge Council tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into Redbridge Council tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now search for the Redbridge Council tax login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, click on the first website that says login or sign up. Scroll down and you need to enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on I have forgotten my password option. Again, if you are a new user, you can scroll down a little bit again and here you will see this option of create an account now. Click on it. But assuming you have already created an account, enter all of the details and click on login option. And with that, you are good to go. In this very easy and simple way, you can log in into your account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel.